With the Lexar Hades RGB DDR4-3600 2x16GB, I appreciate the refreshingly clean look of the end product. To me, it is a tasteful utilization of RGB without being gaudy or stereotypically gamer-like. The sleek brushed aluminum heat spreaders are simple and should do a fine job functionally. Despite being a newcomer, Lexar offers the same lifetime warranty that comes from other manufacturers. Unfortunately, in terms of performance, the Lexar Hades RGB was generally underwhelming across the board with lower results against other kits with similar capacity, operating speed, and latencies. The difference was not always huge, but it was still slower. In terms of overclocking, these spec-tech chips did provide a bit of headroom. We were able to push it up to DDR4-3866 with little relaxation of latency timings, which represents a 7.4% increase in frequency. This overclock was Prime 95 stable. In addition, you can also tighten up the cast latency timings. Overall, the Lexar Hades RGB DDR4-3600 is a new entrant into the already competitive DDR4 market, but there are some growing pains in its performance to improve upon. At the MSRP of $217 US, the Lexar Hades RGB DDR4-3600 2x16GB is also priced a bit higher than its competition, even if you consider extra costs for its fancy lights. All in all, I do appreciate what Lexar brings with a clean look and generally easy to use software, and I hope to see an improved result from them, whether it is in the current DDR4 market or in the future as we move on to DDR5. The full review is linked in the video description below.